Hi, this is Luisa Elena Guillén, licensed designer and spokesperson for Latin America. I want to share with you my new Celebrating Life collection. First, we have First Communion. It is a set of 10 thinly dies. Every die has a design to make the perfect composition needed to celebrate the first Holy Communion Day. You can make projects as invitations, favors, or scrapbook page. Then we have the Nativity. It is a set of 6 dies. Embellish your project to celebrate Christmas. Make your caro decor creating a 3D design. We make this project. It was a 3D but more flat. And then we did this diorama that shows every detail to make beautiful projects for Christmas. Then we have Baptism. It's a set of 7 dies. This set brings a gown and other different elements to make beautiful projects celebrating the occasion, make cards, make an album or a frame for the baptism celebration. Then we have Quinceañera. It's a set of 12 dies to celebrate for the big day of a young woman. These elements can be used to make projects also for other things like Cruzes, parties, or any other celebration like Sweet 16 or birthdays. Here we have 2 samples using some of the designs that bring the set. Also, this new collection brings you new words to complement all those occasions. They are made with the script the same than the collection before. That way you can continue making all the projects using the words that we have and combine them. We have Thinlits with the word First Communion. In that case, we use it here, First Comunión. We have the word Confirmation, that you can use it with any other element from the collection for any project as well as scrapbooking or the invitations. We have the word Quinceaños, and we also have the word Baptism, and you can complement it with the set of baptism with all the elements for that occasion. Then to embellish those projects, we have a set of delicate, intricate edges designs that comes with crosses. We also have a set of larger, intricate edges that you can complement in any other project. And here, for example, we use it as a napkin ring. As well, that you can use it as borders in any of the decors for the table. It's a great idea. We have a set of ornate crosses that can be used as favors also to decorate your project. That can be part of the celebration of the First Communion Day, baptism, confirmation, or others. To make also a very intricate design, we have a very beautiful wrap to make an invitation. How beautiful it is. It's very delicate. You can use it in different ways, using only one of the layers. You see here, we use it as a decor for the gift bag, or you can also use it as a background for any of the projects. Decorate bags for weddings, elegant celebration, and you are gonna have a beautiful outcome. Also, in the collection, we have 2 new textures design in size 8.5 by 11, and these complement the collection to make beautiful projects. This is one for Christmas, and the other one could be for any other occasion. But if you see in detail, has a little cross, so you can combine it with any of the projects for baptism, First Communion, or any religious occasion. This is my collection, and I'm sure you will enjoy it.